Hello guys, welcome back to class. Here we're going to solve question 5. Question 5 says, what is meant by the statement the velocity ratio of a block and tackle system is 4? And B says, a bag of rice weighs 50 grams and 500 Newton. Distinguish between these measurements. Is that correct? So let's trash the question. So we have question 5A. So what is meant by the statement the velocity ratio of a block and tackle system is 4? This is very simple. Remember, velocity ratio is equal to distance moved by effort, right, all over distance moved by load. Is that correct? So having known this, from here we can say, since the velocity ratio is 4, so this will be equal to distance moved by effort, right, all over distance moved by load. This implies that distance moved by effort is equal to 4 multiplied by distance moved by load. Is that correct? So from here, the question says, what does it mean? What is meant by the statement the velocity ratio of this tackle and system is 4? The statement mean that the distance moved by effort is 4 times the distance moved by the load. So in exam, this is all you need to write. This is all you need to write from here to here. Is all you need to write. So this I did here by using the formula is for better understanding, right, as a teacher. So in exam, this is all you need to write. That the statement means that the distance moved by the effort is 4 times the distance moved by the load. Is that understood? That's all you need to write. So question 5B says, a bag of rice weighs 50 kg and 500 Newton. So you have to distinguish between this measurement. So 500 kg is the mass, which is the amount of matter contained in the bag of rice, right? Bag of rice. So, and it is measured with what? With beam balance. Is that clear? Why the 500 Newton is the weight of the bag of rice. Weight of the bag of rice. And it is the gravitational pull of the earth on the bag of rice. So measured with spring balance. We use spring balance to measure this. Is that understood? As simple as this.